Subodh, who came to Delhi to work from his village, was associated with Zomato. He met with an accident and had a fracture in his leg, and he had no money for treatment. There are millions of people in India who lack money and insurance for such treatment. The World Bank report shows that India has only 1% of total vehicles in the world, but road accidents account for 11% of total number of deaths. According to the report, 4.5 lakh accidents happen every year in India, in which 1.5 lakh people lose their life. If we go deep into the report, we will find that 53 road accidents take place every hour in the country, and one person dies every 4 minutes. A large number of people who get injured in an accident are just like Subodh, who are unable to get treatment due to lack of money. If the accident victims get timely treatment, then a large number of lives can be saved. National Insurance Company's traffic accident policy is a good option to protect against such kind of risks. This policy includes accident insurance apart from hospital treatment facility. This policy is available at an annual charge of only Rs 150, which can be easily purchased by a common man. Tax and investment expert Balwant Jain explains that this plan is combination of personal accident insurance and health insurance policy, which covers the risk of disability, death or hospitalization due to traffic accidents. Those who travel regularly should buy such a policy. Who should buy this policy? Balwant Jain says that people who travel often, like salesmen, office boy or a driver, should buy this policy. Due to limited income, these people are unable to buy expensive health insurance policy, and in case of accident, they don't get any treatment. These people are comparatively more prone to death. For such people, it is more important to have an insurance policy that covers both accident and hospitalization expenses. Who can buy this policy? People in the age group of 5 to 70 years can join this scheme. The premium is same for all, that is Rs 150 per year including GST, and for an insurance cover of Rs 1 lakh, this policy only covers accident. Accident insurance benefits. The benefits available in this policy are in two parts. The first part covers the normal benefits under the personal accident insurance. Under this, on the death of the insured, the insurance company will pay 1 lakh rupees to his nominee. If the insured person suffers loss of 2 limbs or 2 eyes or 1 limb in the accident, then his treatment expenses will be covered. In case of loss of 1 limb or 1 eye, 50% of insurance cover amount will be paid. In case of permanent disability, a claim of 1 lakh rupees can be made. Benefits in case of hospitalization. In the second part of the policy, the insured can claim the expense incurred in lieu of hospitalization for injuries sustained in road and rail accidents. This expenditure of up to Rs 1 lakh is covered against treatment and surgery in any hospital or nursing home. Under this policy, some expenses can be claimed even when you are not hospitalized. These mainly include the cost of OPD. Often, health insurance companies do not cover OPD expenses. This insurance policy covers OPD expenses up to 10,000 rupees, which is included in the total cover of 1 lakh rupees. In case of an accident, the aggrieved person can also claim the ambulance cost for transporting him to the hospital from the accident spot. Medical expenses at home are also covered if the victim cannot be admitted to the hospital. Money9 suggests the risk of sudden hospitalization due to the accident is more for those who are young and healthy. This policy is very useful for such people. Keep renewing the policy in time to keep reaping the benefits of this policy. While buying the policy, appoint a nominee so that in case of death, he can avail the benefits of the insurance policy.